Ever wish you could turn a text prompt into a 3D model without hours of manual work? Actually, you can by wiring AI image generation into Blender's Python API. The pipeline works like this. You send a text prompt to an AI image API, get back a generated image, then import that image into Blender as a reference or to generate height maps. The secret sauce is Blender's Python scripting. Here's a minimal example using Python and Blender to call an AI image API and load the result into your scene. This is the core step that automates the whole thing. Now, once that image is in Blender, you can turn it into a 3D model. Use it as a displacement map, or import it as a texture and subdivide your mesh. For example, a height map can drive the displacement modifier. To make it truly automatic, you can batch multiple prompts and generate an entire library of assets overnight. Just loop through your list, call the API, and import each result. So by combining AI with Blender scripting, you can supercharge your 3D workflow. It's not fully hands-off, but it's a huge time saver.